So now let's see how we can work around with Magnify and Mosaic option inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage right here, and in order to apply Magnify effect onto it, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. Then under this dot right here, you can see that Magnify is in effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you can see that Magnify is here, as you can see right here. You can go around and move around the magnification to whichever area you want, and then you can click and drag it out to go around and change around the size of the Magnify right here. You can see that you can go around and magnify a certain area. You can go around and change around the magnification right here, just like this, and you can see that that is what you have. You can go around, make it smaller and make it larger as well. So you can go around and change around the radius right here, as you can see, the magnification level right here, and even it can be negative, as you can see right here. Then you can go around and bold it, as you can see, just like this, and you can tile it right here or reflect it, as you can see right here. Then you can go around and change around the shape of the magnification as well to different shapes as you like, just like this, like triangle as well. And then you can go around and change pentagon as well, and you can go around and change around the blend mode of the Magnify, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Magnify effect. Let me just go around and delete it, and under effect, let me just go around and add in Mosaic right here. Once you add in Mosaic, what happens is that the overall footage gets pixelated. So you can go around and choose different Mosaic option, as you can see right here, so that it is more pixelated right here, or you can go around and choose around the number of blocks right here. Let's say, for example, you want it 50 by, let's say, for example, 20. Then you can simply go around and type that in. Then you get the Mosaic effect, where there is 50 pixels over here on the top and 20 pixels on the right. So that is how you can go around and change around the Mosaic settings. So that is how you can utilize the Magnify and Mosaic effects inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.